Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you see there's a glare right here and the screen's a little blurry, just a little like double vision, ignore that. Let me turn up the music so I don't get copyright. But yeah, that's because my screen protector broke right on top of the camera, so you know I have to deal with that. But I ordered a new one. I ordered a replacement screen protector, so don't worry, it's super annoying. But thank you guys for clicking on the video. I'm just driving home from school and I decided I want to go to the beauty supply store and I want to make a vlog out of it, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So yeah, that's basically, just want to buy some stuff. Not that I can afford it, I don't know where I'm going, but yeah, I just like going there. It's a calm place, makes me happy, so I'm gonna go there and bring you guys with me. So if you guys want to see that, just keep on watching. I'll see you guys when I'm at the beauty supply store. Right up in here. It's very quiet, but oh my god, looking at all the stuff, they have so many. Everything in beauty salon, everything in beauty shops, like, what is this called? Beauty supply store. It's always so much more expensive because it's everything here. Okay. So, I just got out of there. It was so quiet. I literally was the only one in there at one point. People kept coming in and leaving, and I was like the only one in there for like, I probably was in there for, I don't even know how long, probably like 30, 40 minutes. So they were acting like sketchy around me. They were like, what's she doing? But I literally got five things. So I'm gonna just go home and then do a little mini haul with you guys. When I get home. Let me just get home first. Okay, so I'm back home, and again, sorry about the glare. It irks me too, very much so. But anyways, we're gonna do our little haul. Whatever. I got this, which is just like weave hair. Yeah, I just got curly hair, just so I can do like an extension, like ponytail thing if I want. Ooh, these are shorter. Okay, good. Cause I got another one before, and I thought it was longer. I was like, I hope it's the other one I got before was longer. And I bought it for like an Ariana Grande concert I went to, so I got it so that I can put like a ponytail, and the ponytail was super long. But I want this one to be more natural, so I can wear it. I don't need to be walking around with a 40-inch like ponytail, like, you know, in the regular life of me. Like, you know, I would rather do like 18, like, you know, like regular hair length. So this is like a 12-inch one, but then once you wrap it around your, like once you make the hair braid and then wrap it around, it gets longer. So yeah, this is what it looks like. But okay, cute. Just making sure it wasn't the same one that I bought before. I also got edge booster, the edge control, because I had one that was green. No idea what happened to it. No idea. I literally had it in here and I have no idea where it went, and I haven't seen it for like probably the last 2 months. I have not seen that edge control, and it's my favorite. So I got this one. It's pineapple flavored. The other one was like green apple, and I didn't know that the colors were like the scents. I just thought it was a good color, so I'm happy I got this one because I did not like that green apple one, but like I got used to the scent. But now that I know their scents, I'm picking one that I actually like. I'll open that later. But next I got this, which is from that same brand, Style Factor. It is their hideout. It's like their version of hair paint wax. It's the hair color wax in gold, and I got that so that I can put like little highlights in my hair, because my highlights are gone. If you haven't noticed, like they're like, you see the ends of my hair has like random little pieces of highlight. But I used to have highlights, but they also cost me like $160. So if I can find a little cheap way to make that look the same. It smells really good. Then I will be trying that. Comment down below if you want me to make a video on it or just try it myself and then let you know how it goes. Like, just comment that down below. But I'm very excited for this one. And lastly, I got these two lip glosses because we can never have enough lip gloss. Okay, I got this lip gel. It is mint flavored. And then I got this Ultralift Rose Hip Oil lip gloss. Just because I love these. I love the NK lip glosses and also the Broadway ones. These are super cheap and super cute. I'm pretty sure if you would like lived in the city or something and you went to like a random bodega or something, these would be like 50 cents or something. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. But I paid $1.50 for each of these. I'm pretty sure they could be cheaper, but you know, Long Island ripped us off and it's $1.50 each. But that's fine because I love them so much. I have this one. This is just a clear one. It's a lip gel, argan oil. Oh wait, I think I forgot the lip gels. I didn't like the smell of it. Wait, maybe because this one's mint, I will like it. Hold on, let me smell this one. Yeah, I did not like this one. The smell of this one, the argan oil one, smells like glue. This one, I got this Broadway one, coconut oil. Okay, well, I can't find my favorite one, which is great, probably because it's in a purse somewhere. I also have this one. It's another one from Broadway. It's the mint oil one. And I have another one that was, it's this NK brand, but instead of, it's a lip gel, but it's in strawberry. Oh, that one is my favorite one. It smells so good, tastes so good. Or it might be in bubblegum. It's either bubblegum or strawberry. Oh, bubblegum or strawberry. It's either bubblegum or strawberry, and it smells so good and tastes so good. And I can't find it right now. And it's like pure pink. And then when you put it on, it's like a little glossy pink moment. But I'm gonna actually try this one out, this mint one. Hopefully it doesn't smell as bad as this argan oil one. But I like the argan oil lip gloss. I just don't like the smell. So I still be using that one, even though I don't like the smell. Ooh, yes, this is good. Oh, excuse me. Hello. I squeezed that a little too much. Damn. But this is cute. This is cute. Yeah. And it smells really good actually. And this rose hip oil, I just want to smell this real quick. And the thing I love about all these lip glosses is that I can use these instead of like a chapstick. Like it literally does moisturize your lips. This one doesn't smell much. I'll put it on too. No, I don't smell much from this one, but that's fine. But the only thing I don't like about these lip glosses that I hear a lot from people is that they be squeezing out by themselves. But I know a way that you can help that is by, like, see that little air bubble in there? You gotta squeeze it out and then close it. So what I do is, like, make sure the air bubble's at the top and there's no, like, more lip gloss at the top. You just squeeze it all the way to the top till the lip gloss goes all the way up there, and then you close it. And then the lip gloss should be like this, like skinny kind of. And then when you open it, it's just gonna be lip gloss at the top instead of air. The reason why it be squeezing out by itself is because the air bubble be at the bottom, lip gloss be at the top. And then once you flip it over to open it, the air bubble will be pushing up lip gloss and having it come out. And that's why I be doing that. But if you get all the air out in the first place, you won't have that problem. And then you can just close it and it's fine. But yeah, so that's what I learned from those lip glosses. But that is everything I got from the beauty supply store. It was just a cute little quick haul. I didn't want to do too much because I really am broke. So all that costed me $26.56. And I wanted to buy so much more things. I literally was in there for so long because I was like, what do I want? Because if I get this, I'm not getting that. And if I get that, I'm not getting this. And if I get this and this, I can get that. But I can't get that. Like, it's, you know, when you're broke and you're balling on a budget, stuff be tough, especially because I didn't really need anything too much. I just wanted stuff. But this I'm very excited to try because everything else was like me just re-upping on stuff I already have. But this, I'm gonna try it on the highlights and see how that looks. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social medias. They'll be listed down in the description box below. And yeah, TTYL. Bye guys.